Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a checkbox checkmark color and make it red color using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I'll change this checkbox checkmark color. Go from option this menu bar and here you will find a select option and click on or drag your mouse to select this checkbox. Now click the properties option and here you will find this properties and properties dialog box. Go appearance option and this is checkmark color and make it red. See this. If you want you can change fill color and border color. I'll only change checkmark color and see this. In this way you can change the checkbox checkmark color and make it red color. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.